Shisngi hadian bausi am Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC, but ubalong ru nongilam kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP utuli ramrong hang lawengno ya kaching tho kachong u hana kirensan social media kum ka Twitter bat ka Facebook ha ka by day bat kamukro dak bau tho ba kinong song kamukro kidai kinongwan sa bean u mitirang ba ka jala Conrad Sangma ha ka artrik no pra uloong ki pai ba kim dei ban Pdiang ki jingkren jeng ki wei kinongilam like no na ki mentirang ba bat jong artli ki jala kentup yu menteri ketanat kampoi yang ka sarkar kemia.
These kind of statements should not be made. We do not appreciate these statements, to be very frank. These are times when we are having challenges, and these statements don't help the situation at all. And of course, after that, I had a direct talk with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and he has also told me that these statements should not be made. But I think what is important is that there will be individuals and people from different levels who will keep making statements, whether it's from our side or from their side. But I think ultimately it is the leadership at the level of the chief ministers. I think those are the statements that should be looked at as the stand of any government. And I think all the other statements being made by others are made at their level, and it's something that, as I said, I don't want to comment too much on those things. But as I said, for me, the discussion is at the Chief Minister's level and at the Home Minister's level. So at that level, the Home Minister has himself, and also the Chief Minister of Assam has also told that these kind of things should not happen. And from my side, as I said, I would like to maintain that the stand of the two Chief Ministers is what the official stand of the two governments is.